Monday, everybody. It's Ruthie Rocks, Ruth Allbrand with your show of the day for November the 8th. It's our second Monday. Oh my gosh, let's see. 22 and 31 is 53 more days left in this year. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, my goodness. So guess what? The single family medium priced home is now $410,000 officially from the applied analysis they went back and they've got the October's numbers all put together, and that's what they came up with. I'm still quoting 400 if it's under $1 million, and I've got to wait for their numbers to see if that edged up at all. In the meantime, I put 410 under the current median on the home equity based on purchases. So we shall see. I'm going to do a quick check. So everybody hang on, make sure that Facebook's working. Wonky, huh? Okay, here we go. Let me just do a quick check. Are we working? Are we working? Come on. Sounds like I am. Okay, good job. Here we go. So over the weekend, we listed 111 homes. That's fantastic. And we put 49 under contract. A little low, but I'm sure that's going to increase this week. Gives us 27 days of available inventory. We have 3,107 single family homes available, and there are 32 that were just listed this weekend that are 400 and under, and 796 under 400 and under total active listings. So that's 796 homes. That's almost a little over almost a third of what's available. So that's good. And of course, I always tell you we're churning. So churning's good. The $1 million homes remain about the same. We're selling them 4 a day. We have 490 available, over $1 million plus. The most expensive one is that $32 million one. Whew. We are selling an average of 137 homes a day this month, and that compares to last year, which was 132. Let us look a little bit at this stat that I did, and this is the days on market. And if you look at October, the 80% of the homes stayed on the market a month. In September, 84% stayed on the market a month. So it looks like we sold homes faster in October than we did in September. So that's the turn of that tape. And last October, 30 days stayed on the market 70%. So they were flying off the shelf last October. That's for sure. And the condos about the same, 80%, 82% stay on the market 30 days compared to September, which was 86%. Again, it seems like homes are not staying on the market as long in October. And I will give you why, because we don't have as many available. So that is impacting the market. And I think people are also realizing that the interest rates, you hear a lot of buzz, they may go up.